In this video, we will show you how to operate your GREENWORKS bike handle string trimmer. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Be sure to visit our YouTube page for videos on charging your battery. Before starting any string trimmer, the power source must be connected. The power button is used to turn the product on or off. When turned on, the light will turn green. The reverse button changes the direction the trimmer head spins. This can be used to quickly remove grass from the trimmer head. The green button at the bottom of the handle controls the speed and also acts as a lockout safety switch. This button must be engaged to start the unit. Indicator lights tell you what speed setting you're on. The product is operating at full speed when all 4 lights are on. The speed can be adjusted while in use. The unit will always start on the highest speed setting. Push the speed button forward to adjust the speed setting. Push the power button. Pull the lockout button back and then engage the trigger. Be advised, the unit must be started within 3 seconds of the power button being pressed. To stop the unit, release the trigger. The cutting line will wear and break off through normal use. Advance the line whenever you hear the motor running faster than normal or if the cutting diameter has decreased significantly. This will ensure the unit continues to perform well and the line can advance properly. This unit features a bump feed head. While the trimmer is running, bump the trimmer head against the ground. A small amount of line will automatically be released. Repeat this process until the line reaches the cutoff blade. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat sources. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.